Hi everybody, we just finished doing the round cam and I wanted to let you know that I changed the name of the round cam to reflect its name. And now we're going to be doing, it's called an eccentric cam, which has a circular shape. And I am moving what is my recording tab to get to the plus sign. I'm going to create a new part studio. I'm going to go to front view. I'm going to create a circle. Where's my circle? I'm going to go to sketch, create a circle with a center point at the origin. And of course, now it comes time to dimensioning it. And I realize I want to use parametric dimensions. This should not have been there. I want to delete it. So I have to get off the circle. I'm off of it. So now I could go delete sketch entity and it's gone. And I have my regular circle. And now I want to set up the variable table, the parametrics. I want to add a variable. And of course, my variable will be D and it's a length and it's going to be 2 inches. Okay. All my variables are going to have a 2-inch, all the D's, it's the normal dimension is going to be 2 inches for what we're working on. We're going to talk about the hole width. It's going to have a length and it will always be, in our case, 1/4 of an inch. And the last one is going to be the extrusion. I'm going to call it E for extrusion, and that's also going to be 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so our parameters are set up. We are going to dimension the circle. Do pound D, it should show up, and there it is. Okay, after we do the circle, instead of a circle for the through hole, we're going to have a square, and I'm going to create the center of the square is going to be D/4, and I'm going to line it up with the center, with the line, and now we get to dimension it. I'm going to dimension from the center to the center. We have D/4, so you're going to go pound D, that's the normal dimension, over 4, and everything is going to be normalized to that dimension of 2 inches. Okay, there it is. And now we're going to do the dimensions of the hole. Okay, here we go. Whoops. So I'm going to zoom in so I don't get angles instead of lengths. And that is going to be pound hole, H for hole. There it is. And here we go. Pound H for hole. There it is. And our sketch is done. Let's look at it isometrically. Beautiful. And now we're going to extrude it. So let's select it. And we're going to extrude. We're going to extrude pound E, which we have set up to be 1/4 of an inch. And we are done. So we're going to change the name where it says Part Studio 1. We're going to right click, rename, and we're going to call it Eccentric CAM. And of course, these cams help define the movement that we're doing. We're going to go isometric. Okay, and let's just look at the front view, and we